Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone Narzo 80x 5G with speed wave pattern design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, 6.72 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 91.4% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 392 ppi pixel density, 950 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with armor shell glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup. On the rear that includes 50 megapixel 27mm OmniVision OV50D sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel 22mm depth camera with aperture 2.4 and LED flash. 4. Selfies. It has 8 megapixel centered punch hole front-facing camera with aperture 2.45, video. Recording maximum 1080p at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 6.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6400 6nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6 GB, 8 GB, 10 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 on board storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.22 by 7.94 mm, and it weighs around 197 grams. And the color options: sunlit gold, deep ocean colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 45-watt wired SuperVOOC fast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1, USB Type-C headphone jack, with mono speakers, 200% super volume mode support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, and military-grade shock resistance support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme Narzo 80x has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 11,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 80x smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.